Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate corporate wellness with Wellable easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Wellable website in your preferred web browser. Log in to your Wellable account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the corporate wellness option from the main menu. Click on Programs to view existing wellness programs. To create a new program, click on the Create Program button. Enter a name for your program in the designated field. Choose the type of program you want to implement, such as fitness, mental health, or nutrition. Set the duration for the program by selecting start and end dates. Adjust any specific settings, like goals and participation metrics. Upload any necessary resources or materials related to the program. Next, select the Participants tab to add employees. You can either invite participants by entering their email addresses or create groups. Once the participants are added, proceed to customize notifications. Set reminders for participants to engage with the program regularly. Review all program details to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the details, click Launch Program to activate it. Monitor participation and engagement through the dashboard analytics. Adjust your program based on feedback and participation trends. Regularly update resources to keep the program fresh and engaging. Support participants with regular communication and encouragement. Utilize the Wellable support resources if you encounter any issues. Every step you take enhances employee wellness in your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.